Integrity check. What does it means? Like I have stored some data. Later on, I have accessed the data and use it. For the example, I have created a one script for do some automation task on the Linux system. But sometime this script by accessed by the hacker or the attacker, and he have make some minor changes, and which will impact of the major impact. Minor changes, impact is a major. So how will you verify? You have to take in the backup, but later on when any hacker or any attacker get the access of your backup and inbuild the malicious program, and later on when you will restore your backup, the malicious program will be restored. So how you can validate your backup is altered, your data whatever you have saved is altered or not, it is unchanged or not? How will you identify? Why checking their integrity? So integrity is based on the hash value. Like when I am going on the website and where I am trying to download here, like download the Kali Linux machine, Kali Linux operating system, well-known operating system and famous operating system. But when I am downloading the Kali Linux, it is modified or not? Means downloading is modified in between when the data is transferring. In between it is modified or not. So how can you check? For the example, I am going to download this install image. So you can here check the sum value. So this is the hash value. Here it is the hash value and it is called SHA256. This is the hash value. So when you are accessing the hash value, when you will download the data and you will use or generate the hash value and you will get the same hash value. If you are getting the same hash value, it means the data has not been altered. So what is the hash function and the type of the hash function? Different algorithm or the perform the hashing like MD5, MD5 sham. So you can generate some previous SHA value, another later on you will generate the another value. When you will match and both value will be same, then you can consider the file has not been altered. Another is a secure hash algorithm SHA. It was having the different like SHA1, SHA2. You can replace this hash value SHA1 some like this options and file name. It will generate. So I will show you the demonstration on that. Don't worry. Here is a command like I have created a file, cat my file, and I have written some word hello world. And when I will run the MD5 sum and give the file name, so it will generate a hash algorithm. Later on I have done some changes, and then again generated the hash algorithm, and you will see the hash value has been changed. So whatever the altered, very minor change if you will do, like adding the only the space, adding the single character will give the difference value. Okay, so MD5 sum, there is a SHA1 also available for generating the